Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Today you are in for a treat. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Also turn on the notifications. But we are in Washington, D.C. in Northeast in Brookland neighborhood. This home is gorgeous. It's new construction by TriPointe Homes. This one is a townhouse priced as shown right at about $1,200,000. It is a 3 bedroom. It has 3.5 bath, 2 car garage, and it has a rooftop deck. This one will blow you away. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you're looking to buy or sell real estate in Maryland or Washington, D.C., I'd love to help you. Drop a comment below and I can reach out. You can click the link in the description as well. You can get a free home buyer or home seller consultation with me, completely free of charge. Let's look around this house and let me know what you think.